and welcome. In this video, we're gonna see how we can search order number in Amazon. Well, you've placed order in Amazon and it can be found the details of orders in this section after you've signed in. Alright, it is in the top section right here, and if you go there, you will have a list of orders that you've placed. Alright, if you click on any one of the order, you can see a page something like this. In order to get your order number, it will be right here, order number. Don't look at this by again. All right, it is on this right hand side. There is order and this hash, and then the numbers are blurred, so there will be your order ID or order number. So once you have found your order ID and you have kept it somewhere, but later if you want to search for that order again, you can just copy and paste that order number right here in this search bar, alright? But do note that the order number or the order ID should be in the format like this, including the dashes. Only then you can find your order ID in the list of orders of yours. Now you know how to search order number in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.